Hello. Now we will discuss about the first phase of software development life cycle. What is the first phase of software development life cycle? First phase of the planning. So when we will develop the software, first we should understanding the planning. Why? Because if not planning any software, so how we will understand the scope, the objective, the time, the budget, customers expectation, customer deadline, it's an anything. So planning is the important phase of the SDLC software development lifecycle. If not planning any software, so software will not be a high quality, will not deliver particular time, and will not meet the customer expectation. It confirmly I'll say. So planning. Planning is this phase involves defining the project scope, objectives, resource, timeline, and budget. It crucial for identifying potential risks and creating a project plan. So, what is the scope? Scope is the actually basically when we will start the project, we will understand the project deadline, how many manpower will work, and how much cost will be the project, for will be the project. So this is the actually scope. Means scope is the documentation of the planning. Okay, then objectives is, what is objective? Objective is the aim of the project. Actually, when we are working the CMS project or CRM project or ERP project or e-commerce project or LMS project, each and every project we are understanding the what is the aim. Means e-commerce project main ambition, what is the buyer will be buy the product, seller will be sell the product to the e-commerce. CRM, customer relationship management, customer and company is will be the relationship is the tracking in, and it's the communication, it's the CRM. ERP is the enterprise resource planning. Means ERP we will see that in any industry how many production and number of production, and when is the complete this product. It's the actually enterprise resource planning. LMS learning management system. So it will be the when instructor will create the course and student will visit and start learning the course. It's the objectives. Okay, next, resources. How many resources we will involve? Means how many systems, how and how many tools, and how many um, manpower, and how much cost. Means resources, what resources we will involve for this course, for this software development. Timeline is the when we will deliver the project. It's the timeline. And budget means how many uh, charge we will take from the customer. It's the budget. Okay, so it's a crucial for identifying potential risk. So first, if we say, planning for the scope, the objectives, resources, the resources, then resources, then timeline, then timeline, then budget. So planning, planning. So first scope. So scope already will say what is the scope. Scope is the means how much, how many manpower, and uh, it's basically the documentation. Mean how many manpower will do this project, and when will be deliver the project, and how will be the flow of the project is scope. So first when we will complete the scope, then we will come the objectives. Objectives means already we will say ambition of the project like CRM, ERP. Okay, then the resource. So how many resource will work for the project, means how many system, how many tools will use the resources, and then the phase of timeline. So timeline is the when will complete the uh, project, means deadline, and then will be the budget, how many charge will do the take from customer. So each and every step, scope, objective, resource, timeline, budget, each and every states is collaborate with each other. So if any step missing, so planning will not the work. Okay, thank you. We will discuss about the next phase, requirement analysis.